What I'd like to do today is show you how to convert the CAPRA into the SEAGOAT configuration, which is the lower profile seat. CAPRA is a more upright seat, and the SEAGOAT is more of a lounger. By simply removing the back foot off of each back leg and moving it to the front arm, we can then convert it into this different frame for the SEAGOAT. So let's just do that. Take one off, two off. Go ahead and put them if you're starting straight from the SEAGOAT right out of the bag instead of converting from the CAPRA. The SEAGOAT does come with the bag extension and the thermal insert. It's wetsuit material. It's a 3mm neoprene. At this point, we'd follow the same steps as what we would do with the CAPRA. Just go ahead and put the insert in the bag. Fold along the indicator lines, 2 red indicators, and this gear loop. Again, go ahead and slide this first gear loop onto the frame, and then put the seat back on the frame first. We torque the frame. Now we load the frame. Once we have the seat on, the next steps would be to put this forward gear loop on, and then this gear loop. Now we're all set. There's only one difference that I want to point out when we break down the frame for the SEAGOAT. We still take down the middle segment or the lateral or the crossbar segment first. We still take down the arms second. For the SEAGOAT, you'll alternate the legs, whereas the CAPRA, you don't alternate. That's the only difference. The other thing that you can do is, because you have the bag extension, is you don't have to break down the lateral segment at all. You can just leave it in both the frame and the seat. Still break down the arms though. What that does is it's just a longer package, but narrow. It's faster because you're not breaking down as much. There you go.